Problem executing script using Python and subprocess.call yet works in Bash. For the first time, I am asking a little bit of help over here as I am more of a server fault person. I am doing some scripting in Python and I've been loving the language so far, yet I have this little problem which is keeping my script from working. Here is the code line in question. I have tried the same thing with os.popen. All the variables are correctly set. When I execute the command in question in my regular Linux shell, it works perfectly fine, but when I execute it using my Python scripts, I get bizarre errors. I even replaced subprocess.call by the print function to make sure I am using the exact output of the command. I went looking into environment variables of my shell, but they are pretty much the same. I'll post the error I am getting, but I'm not sure it's relevant to my problem. Use of uninitialized value $lines 0 in substitution s/ at break time equals ones greater than line 614. Use of uninitialized value $_ and pattern match m// at break time equals ones greater than line 628. I am not a Python expert, so I'm most likely missing something here. Thank you in advance for your help. Antoine. Edit. Following my ex's advice, I stopped using shell equals true. Instead, I took a look at the Python documentation for subprocess and used the following piece of code. Sadly, it doesn't change anything. Edit 2. I have used the tip given by my ex, but I still get the above error. Here is the code that I have used. This is really strange. The exact command works fine when I run it in the regular shell.
Does the Zen create image script start with a hashbang? That is the first line something like? That is one thing to check. Another is that you can try to call your command as you might want to print cmd to verify this is the command you intend to run, i.e. check the substitutions.
You, in most cases, don't want to use subprocess with shell equals true. Pass it a list of arguments to the command. That is more secure. Imagine a user manages to pass foo, rmrf/echo as some of the values. More reliable, imagine one of the strings contains $, or something. It will be expanded by the shell and replaced by the content of that environment variable. Without knowing your code and Zen create image, I assume that is the cause of your problem. P.S. Be sure to look at the exit code of the command as 0, and act appropriately if not. If you are certain that it will always be 0, use check_call, which raises if it does not. That way you'll at least have a defined behavior if it fails.
You need to print the command you are using. And then paste the command into your shell to make sure it is exactly the same.
In your edit 2 example, which is failing, you think you are giving the following options to Zen create image. Hostname, memory, partitions equals ... etc. But you are actually specifying the following options. host namespace, space memory space, space partitions equals ... etc. You have this line. But you need to take out the extra spaces.